Okay, guys, here we go. Our first one, Sierra. Hang on, hun. Let go.
Like you see in terms of setup, they did a nice job. Next young lady does a very good job. A couple of times legs were a little off kilter. Next young man, he's going to end up fifth today. He does a very good job of actually setting that goat up. The challenge.
50 where? 450, 75, 75, 75, 75, 75. Yes, now $5. $5 bidder, $5. Thank you. Now a quarter again. 525. 525. Thank you. Now 550. 555, 50, 50, 50 where? 555, 50 yes, no. $6. Thank you. Now a quarter again. 625, 625. Now 650, 50 where? 650, 650, 650 where? Where? Gotta go. 650. Thank you. Now 75.